Good afternoon, students. In this session, we are going to learn about how can we generate a feedback form in Django, that is by using forms. In the previous class, we have learned about how to generate a form and how to submit the data in a form. So in this session, we are going to learn how can a student submit a form. So I quickly open my Visual Studio, VS Code. Yeah, so here in forms.py file, I have used three fields: name, roll number, and the third one is to generate or to give a feedback. So in a feedback, I have used a attribute called widget in order to make a text area. So a character field with an input value called text area. Now in a views.py file, I just call those values and I have defined a method called feedback view. So in a feedback view, I am going to call this in views.py and also as well as in urls.py also. Now here I am going to call the values that I have submitted in the HTML file, that is name, roll number and feedback form. So both are going to be submitted. So here I am going to render it into feedback.html file. So in feedback.html file, I am just calling the values and I am just mentioning the titles, that is college student data, about BWork WT course and as well as student feedback form. So here once by submitting the form, the values are displayed in the console. So in urls.py file, I am going to call this views.feedbackView. Feedback view, which is the method that I have defined in views.py file. Now I will open my terminal. I am going to clear the screen. I am going to type python manage.py run server. Yes, the server was started. Now I am going to make it as, select this one. Yes, you can clearly see that college student data about BWork WT course and student feedback form. Now I am going to submit my name as Pawan and I am going to make my roll number as 1234. Yes, this is a good course and lot of opportunities. I am going to submit my feedback. My feedback was submitted. Now I am going to select the next student data. Let me name it as RAM and I am going to make my roll number as 1000. This is the best course in the college and I am going to submit my feedback. And the third one I am going to use, and I am going to make it as 4567 and I am going to type it as excellent course. Yeah, I have submitted three feedbacks. Now I am going to open my console and you can clearly see that in the console, first roll number, name and as well as the feedback of the student, and second roll number, name and feedback of the student, and the third roll number. So similarly, we can get the form submitted, that is feedback submitted from the student by using Django. So in this way, we can generate a feedback form in Django. Thank you.